Hi, my name is Rohini and I'm a rising junior at Prospect High School. My goal for my first milestone was to get 2 flex sensors and 2 servos working smoothly and efficiently. So far in my project, the components include an Arduino, a breadboard, flex sensors, resistors, servo, and of course wires. So my Arduino is the microcontroller of my project and it controls the functions and movement of my sensors and servos. Then I have a breadboard, and for my resistors I connected 2 10K ohm resistors in series because I required about 22K resistance, and so I had 2 10K in series, therefore I had 20K resistance. And here are my 2 flex sensors and 2 servos, and I will show you how it works. Thank you.